Poovi, you finally get the thing you wanted for years. The relationship feels perfect. The money is coming in. The opportunity is right in front of you. And then you burn it down. You say the wrong thing. You ghost. You quit. You self destruct right at the finish line. You watch yourself do it and you still can't stop. Welcome to the darkest pattern no one wants to admit they have. Tonight we go all the way in. Why you sabotage every good thing in your life and why you might never be able to stop unless you hear this. Let's begin where the sabotage actually started the moment you first learned that good things don't last. Imagine this, you are 9 years old. Your parents finally take you on the vacation you begged for. For 3 days, everything is perfect. Then on the fourth day, they start fighting again. The dream shatters. Your young brain learns the rule. The higher you let yourself feel, the harder it hurts when it ends. So you make a secret promise, never let anything get too good. Because if it never gets good, it can never destroy you. Fast forward to today. Poovi, you are 29 years old. You have the partner who actually loves you. The job that pays more than you dreamed. The body you worked years to build. Everything is finally lining up. But instead of enjoying it, you start picking fights. You start drinking more. You start scrolling dating apps again. You start telling yourself this is too good to be true until you make sure it isn't true anymore. You don't just ruin it. You ruin it in ways that feel like your own choice. Let me tell you a story that actually happened. His name was Daniel, 36, built a sphig business from his bedroom, met the woman he swore was the one 6 months in, she moved in. Everything was going better than he ever imagined. Then one random Tuesday, he picked a fight about nothing. He said things he couldn't take back. She left that night. 3 weeks later, the business started falling apart because he stopped showing up. Daniel sat in his empty apartment staring at the walls and realized something terrifying. He had done this exact same thing 4 times before. Every time life got good, he destroyed it. Not because he was stupid, because some part of him believed he didn't deserve to keep it. This is not bad luck. This is self-sabotage. And it is running in millions of people right now like invisible code. But here is where the story gets darker. Poovi, you're the one who finally catches yourself in the act. You see the pattern. You know you are about to ruin the next good thing. And you still do it anyway. Because the fear of losing it later feels worse than destroying it now. At least when you destroy it, you stay in control. At least when you destroy it, the pain has your name on it. The ancient survival brain would rather create its own suffering than risk uncontrollable suffering. So it chooses the pain it can predict. Why do you keep sabotaging every good thing? 3 brutal truths no one says out loud. 1. You were taught that love and success come with punishment. Every time something good happened as a child, it was followed by chaos or abandonment. Your nervous system now treats happiness like a warning sign. 2. Staying broken feels safer than becoming whole. If you stay broken, no one expects anything from you. If you become whole, people might leave when they see the real you. Sabotage keeps the mask on and the expectations low. 3. You are addicted to the cycle. The highs feel amazing. The crashes feel familiar. The drama gives your brain the dopamine and adrenaline it craves. A calm, happy life feels boring. So you create chaos to feel alive again. Here is a twist no one sees coming. The people who finally stop sabotaging are not the ones who become perfect. They are the ones who learn to sit with the discomfort of good things without destroying them. They feel the urge to burn it all down and they choose to breathe instead. They tell themselves this is new, this is scary, but I am allowed to have this. They stop believing the old story that good things must end in pain. And slowly the pattern loses its power. Not because life becomes perfect, but because they stop needing the sabotage to feel in control. So next time you feel that familiar urge to ruin the good thing in front of you, the relationship, the money, the opportunity, the peace, remember this video, you are not broken beyond repair. You are not cursed. You are running an old survival program that once kept you safe but now keeps you stuck. The question is simple. Will you keep destroying every good thing so the pain feels familiar? Or will you finally let something good stay and discover who you become when you stop punishing yourself for being happy? You sabotage every good thing in your life, but tonight you have a choice. Keep the pattern alive or watch it die in real time. Drop a comment with the word sabotage if this exact pattern is destroying your life right now. Like if you want more dark truths that actually help you break free, subscribe and turn on notifications because the next movie is already coming to expose the next lie you tell yourself. You are not alone in the ruins, but you are the only one who can finally decide to stop lighting the match. See you in the next one.